Hi everybody. I'm going to quickly show you how to use actions in Photoshop to adjust multiple images at once. Save you some time, especially if you have a lot of them you need to do the exact same adjustment to. So let's say you have some photos in your folder. I'm going to click on mine here. Maybe similar to what you see on my screen where a few of them are a bit cooler in color, like this group here, and others, which in my case, because my background's yellow, you can see this very warm yellow in these images, and it's a lot more pale in some others. Now let's say I want all of them to be warmer in tone. So I'm going to shift over here. I'm going to choose one and drag it into Photoshop. You could also right-click the file and open with Photoshop. Either way, we'll bring it into the software that we need. Now I could go into each individual image and under Image and Adjustments, go into Color Balance and adjust this to be a bit warmer in tone. But we don't necessarily want to do that for, say, 30 or 40 pictures. So something you may want to do is try actions. If you see this play button here over to the right, this is actions. If you don't see that, you could also go into your menu bar, click on Window, and select Actions, and it'll bring it up. So either way, either hit this button here or go to Windows and bring it up onto your screen. You'll see some basic kind of recording tools here, and what you'll need to do is create a new action to start. So next to the trash can, we have create new action, and I'm going to name this what I'm going to do to my photo. I'm changing its tone. Maybe you need to change its brightness, so maybe you need to name it brighter because you want it to adjust to a lighter color to match your other photos. Either way, name it something that makes sense with what we're doing. So I'm going to say tone for mine. I'm going to hit record. It's going to start recording what I'm doing. It's not recording my voice or anything, it's just going to record what I'm going to do to this image. So I'm going to go to Images, Adjustments, and go to Color Balance. And I may take a little more time. I might do more than one adjustment to get it just right. And I'm going to turn some of these dials to get a bit more of that bright yellow in the background, which will also adjust my characters to. I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit Save, and I'm going to stop my recording. So you see that my actions right here, tone, color balance, and save. Now I need to do this to more images. So I'm going to go File and Open, or I can drag some images in. So File and Open, here's my folder, and you can see my many other images that have cooler tone. Now some need other adjustments, so this may help with a start, and it will definitely save you time, so you don't have to do this to 10 or 20 or 100 photographs. But you may need to go into a few others. Like I can see a few of my images in my folder here are actually a bit darker as well. So I might do another adjustment for those. So I'm going to choose ones which are similar to the one I chose initially. So the first one right here, I can see that a couple of the images next to it are about the same. So I'm going to hold Shift and click. I'm going to get about 5 right now. I'm going to hit Open, and you will see my files are opening up here at the top. Now you don't have to go into each individual one. All you need to do next is go to File, Automate, and then select Batch. Now in here, you want to make sure that your action that you created is here, so the one I named Tone is what's selected, and that's what I want to use. So you can make more than one of these actions, and that will save you time for your next set of maybe, say, 12 pictures that all need to be adjusted. Now right now I have it selected to open files. If you need to do this to your entire folder and everything's saved in one folder, you can just do that. Now keep in mind, if you do this though, and half of your images have the correct tone, it's going to over adjust those images. So it's best to open just the ones you want to be fixed. Click Open Files once you have them up on your screen, and then click OK. And what my computer will do now, what Photoshop will do, is it will slowly go through these 5 images I opened and do the same adjustments to each. And that's how you use actions to quickly change multiple images.